Listen, this is Saul Robles again with Kellner Roofing, Kellner Home Improvement. Sometimes I make videos on some of the jobs I do and what to do and what not to do. But I'm going to tell you what to do with SEO and digital marketing. I've been using Smartseed for the past three years, and they came to me. They looked me up. I sat down and talked to them. They were very empathetic over the things that I need and the struggles that I have for marketing. And sitting down with Will and one of their sales reps, we hashed out what we needed to do. And I've used other companies before, digital marketing companies. They were all bad. I used a lot of them. They were all bad. Okay, so. And then you get a lot of calls, got a lot of emails from me. I'm trying to make this as short as possible, but in the interim, Smartseed Digital Marketing. If you don't go with them, shame on you. They're a great company. I get a lot of clicks. I get a lot of calls that are good. My branding is really good. I got strong branding. My outreach is a lot better now. I'm not only I'm in Stratford, Connecticut, but I'm in other towns as well. So again, A plus for Smartseed, Will Vera. That's the only company I'm going to stay. It's a one-stop shop. I'm done. I'm not going anyplace else. Again, Saul Robles with Kona Home Improvement. Hope to see you with my next video. Thanks. Bye.